Language is at the center of what it means to be human, and we are fascinated by it. We want to know when humans started to speak, with estimates ranging from 200,000 years ago to 50,000 years ago. We want to know why language evolved, ranging from helping with tool-making to developing a theory of mind and attracting mates. We compare human language with animal communication, and we enjoy imagining how aliens could speak. And right now, we're fascinated by building machines that understand us and can talk back. And that is what the Serious Series of NLP is about. The intersection between language and artificial intelligence is often called natural language processing, or NLP. I have been interested by language and AI for over a decade, and I'd like to share with you an exploration of NLP from the point of view of a linguist and of a human learning about our own ability using the mirror of AI. We'll take a look at how different components of our language ability is mapped onto NLP technology, from meaning to structure to sound and back again. We'll build some practical NLP applications along the way. As the Nobel physicist Richard Feynman famously said, "If I cannot create, I do not understand." We'll ask questions about the relation between language and intelligence, what it means for a machine to understand language, can humans adapt ourselves when communicating with AI, and what the future looks like for human-machine interaction. If any of these topics pique your interest, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment of your thoughts to the following question: can we think without language? See you in the next episode.